Oh no! Al, help! I'm stuck!
Hmm? What happened?
My hand, it's stuck in the washing machine.
This hand?
Oh, wow, how did you do that?
How did you not do that?
Well, anyways, how can I ever thank you for helping me?
Don't mention it. Just be careful next time.
There must be some way I can show my appreciation.
No, really, it's not necessary.
Oh no, you have a stain on your pants. Why don't you just take them off and I'll wash them for you?
That's quite all right. These are my work garments.
Are you sure? I'm very good at rubbing things out.
Actually, with grease stains, you want to dab it with a little bit of baking soda.
Well, how about after I toss in this load, I take your load?
Wait. Why aren't you separating your whites and colors?
Just fuck me!
No.
What's the point? It's a disaster.
Stop! Don't do it! That button launches all of our nuclear missiles!
Well, then which button gets me a latte?
That would be the other one, sir.
What idiot designed this thing?
You did, sir.
Fair enough. Wilson, fire somebody!
Yes, sir, Mr. President.
Oh my god, I need to calm down, I can't do this! Just get in line! Oh my god! Get in line! Oh my god! Get in line! Fix it! Fix this gap now! I'm trying to fix it here! Just get in line! Get in line! Andy, please! Hey, forward! Ethan! Okay, Ethan's getting banned. Come on! Just get out! Oh, calm down! What are you doing, Mr. Man? Thank you! Fucking hell.
What's up? Can a babe come up and you're a crab?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
I bet they'll hate me cause I'm beautiful, ho. Maybe if you got rid of that old hideous haircut, you'd get some more dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Vox will call your dumbass if he ever stopped fucking with the pimp he fucking with. Some bug.
What?
Honestly, I don't remember a single event because I play such a small role in all of them. Yeah, I'm an alcoholic. I'm drunk right now, actually.
Bruh, you know what I was thinking, bruh? If your leg get cut off, would it hurt? Duh. How though? Cause your leg got cut off, fool. Where you gonna feel the pain? In your leg. Exactly, bruh. How you gonna feel the pain in your leg if your leg is gone, bruh? Bro, I've been thinking about this shit all day, bruh. Where would you put a pain in? That's the point. There ain't no pain. Once your leg gone, your pain go with it. Where you gonna feel the pain if your shit gone, bro? Oh. I'm telling you, bro, smoking, bro, we be smart as hell.
It all started after dinner one night. I think it was a Tuesday.
Your turn, Dad. 11.
But that puts me right on...
The crypt of failure. Sorry, Dad. You lost again. That makes, 598 times in a row.
598?
Actually, that's 599.
Oh, right. Thanks, Mom.
No! No! No!
Okay, whose turn was it?
So, you see, Billy, I'm a sad, sad failure. I can't ever show my face in that household again.
Well, maybe you can show some other parts of your body.
5, 6, 7, 8.